Nest is now Google Nest. What does that even mean? Hey y'all, it's Ashley Renee and welcome back to my sustainable travel, lifestyle, and smart tech YouTube channel where I show you how to live an adventurously green life. Now, I regularly post videos about my smart home, my Tesla, and other topics related to sustainability and green living. So if you're into that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you never miss a new video. Right now, you're watching my smart home series where I walk you through our smart home setup to give you the tools, tips, and the inspiration to help you build your own smart home. This week's episode is about my Google Home Hub. Well, technically, Google Nest Hub now. What's up with that? Remember when I posted my Nest security video? Well, back then, Nest was an ecosystem all on its own. And since it's owned by Google, it integrated perfectly into our Google ecosystem. Recently, however, that integration went to a whole new level. Nest became Google Nest. Judging by some of the comments I got on previous YouTube videos, there was confusion. It's cool though, I got you. I'm gonna break down exactly what this means, and I'm also going to show you the interconnectivity between the Google Nest Hub and the smart tech devices I've gone over with you guys up until this point. Google Assistant is the heart of my smart home ecosystem. There are different Google Assistant devices you can put throughout your home. For example, Google Minis that you can just plug into your wall and talk to. But the one that has the most functionality is Google Nest Hub because it has a display. So not only does it respond to voice commands, but it can also display what you want to see on its screen. So let's talk about this whole Nest thing. Earlier this month, Google announced that it was going to be integrating the Nest brand into its wider line of Google Home products. They're changing their Works with Nest program to Works with Google Assistant. Google already owned Nest to begin with, so this announcement didn't really affect me since Google Assistant is the heart of my ecosystem. Now, Google made the move for privacy reasons, so they say, that by eliminating the Works with Nest program, third-party devices will have far less access to the data captured by Nest products like the smart thermostats, smoke detectors, cameras, alarms, so on and so forth. And therefore, there's fewer potential opportunities for abuse. That's what they said. So I use so many of the Nest products in my home, and I can use the Google Nest Hub Smart Display in a variety of useful ways. Here are some examples of how I use the display functionality to view my Nest products. With my Google Nest Hub, I can see exactly who's at my door when someone rings the Nest Hello video doorbell. I can pull up the live video stream at any time and get visitor announcements. Whereas if I only had the Google Minis, it would alert me that someone's at the front door, but since there's no display, I can't see who it is. With the Google Nest Hub, I get that visual benefit. Now there's Nest Cams. Just like with the doorbell, I can also view live stream footage from the Nest outdoor cameras and indoor cameras I have throughout my home. All I have to do is ask it to show me the cameras at each designated location, and it'll pull up the video stream. One product I haven't made a video about yet is my Nest Alerting Thermostat. This is yet another Nest product that I can control from my Nest app, as well as my Google Nest Hub. These smart thermostats can help you save energy and money. They're ENERGY STAR certified, it learns what temperature you like, and it operates according to your habits. Studies have shown that it has saved people 10 to 12% on heating bills and 15% on cooling bills. So with Google Nest Hub, you can change the temperature and switch between heating, cooling, and eco modes. Google and Philips Hue also have beautiful interconnectivity. If you watched my Philips Hue video, you might have noticed the part where I commanded my Google Assistant to adjust the lights. I provided two examples of how I could tell it to turn on and off the lights, and also turn it down and up to a specific percentage, like 10% for example. Now there are tons of Philips Hue commands you can give to any of the Google Assistant devices, but for some situations, it comes in handy to specifically have a display. With the Google Nest Hub, you can have visual control over the color and brightness. I can tell it to turn on the family room lights, the lights will come on, and different options will appear on the display for you to configure the lights to however you want it. I can slide my finger on the brightness to get it to my desired percentage. I can choose from a number of color options that pop up to create the mood that I want. I can also isolate individual lights in the room if I want. Although the Samsung Family Hub Smart Fridge operates off of a command system of its own, it still allows you to integrate with Google in various ways. You can view your Google Calendar on the fridge display, for example. You can also add smart things to your Google Home app. If there are smart devices in your Smart Things app that integrate with Google, the Google Home app will detect it. I tested this out, and sure enough, it detected my smart fridge. My Google Hub pulled up my refrigerator cooler, the freezer, and I tested out a voice command too for fun. I asked it if I left the refrigerator door open, and it told me that it was closed. So now it's your turn to talk. Do you currently have any Google Assistant devices in your home? Let me know. Drop me a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe for more smart home adventures headed your way. See y'all next week, and until then, keep on living an adventurously green life.